Have you ever had a great marketing idea, but spent hours creating visuals, generating videos, and editing everything together? What if you could go from a simple idea to a complete advertising video inside one workflow? Today, I'm testing CapCut PC's newest AI tools, GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0. I'll create an entire marketing campaign from scratch, generate custom visuals, turn them into dynamic videos, and finish everything inside CapCut, all without jumping between multiple tools. Let's see how far AI content creation has come. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Minds. On this channel, we explore the latest AI tools and workflows that help creators, marketers, and businesses work faster and create better content. Today, we're diving into CapCut PC's new AI workflow featuring GPT Image 2.0 for image creation and Seedance 2.0 for image-to-video generation. Let's build something from start to finish. Inside CapCut PC, I'll start with AI image powered by GPT Image 2.0. For this example, let's create a premium sports shoe advertising campaign. I'll enter a few prompts and generate multiple creative concepts at once. What immediately stands out is the variety. Instead of creating just one image, GPT Image 2.0 can generate an entire collection of marketing visuals in different styles and compositions. You can create product posters, social media visuals, character designs, promotional graphics, and localized marketing materials. One of the biggest strengths here is consistency. The product design remains recognizable across multiple generated images, making it much easier to build a complete campaign rather than isolated visuals. For teams creating large amounts of content, this can save a significant amount of time. Let's generate a few more variations and build a complete visual package. The results look polished, detailed, and ready for the next stage. Now comes the exciting part. Instead of exporting everything and moving to another application, we can go directly into AI video. I'll import the images we just created and use Seedance 2.0 to animate them. For each scene, I'll add prompts describing the movement, camera motion, and atmosphere I want. What's impressive is how smoothly Seedance 2.0 transforms static images into dynamic sequences. Watch the motion. Watch the camera movement. And notice how the visual style stays consistent throughout the sequence. This is especially useful for product advertisements, brand campaigns, social media promotions, and content variations for different audiences. Another thing I like is how the transitions between scenes feel connected. The generated videos maintain strong visual continuity, making the final result feel much more cohesive. Let's generate several scenes and combine them into a complete ad sequence. The motion quality is surprisingly smooth, and the overall presentation feels much more engaging than static imagery. Now that we have our AI-generated assets, it's time to polish everything. I'll move into CapCut's multi-track editor. Here, I can add captions, insert music, create transitions, add visual effects, adjust timing, and refine pacing. This is where the workflow becomes really efficient. Instead of generating content in one platform and editing somewhere else, everything stays inside the same environment. For marketers and content creators producing multiple versions of the same campaign, this can significantly speed up the process. I'll quickly add some finishing touches and create the final version. And here's the finished result. After testing this workflow, what stands out most is how connected everything feels. GPT Image 2.0 helps generate the visual foundation. Seedance 2.0 transforms those visuals into dynamic video content. And the multi-track editor brings everything together into a polished final piece. For marketing teams, creators, and businesses creating content regularly, this workflow can help produce multiple creative variations much faster than traditional methods. My favorite part is the ability to move directly from image creation to video generation without breaking the workflow. That alone can save a lot of time. If you'd like to try this workflow yourself, click my link and explore CapCut PC's AI-powered image and video creation tools. Let me know in the comments what you'd create using GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.